This is a SmartJet Blue, and we're going to be printing on wood. This is a red ink. We're just printing a stripe down this. This is 300 dpi, so this is about as dark as you want to get it. You can go darker, but you're just going to use more ink. Now this we're going to run again at 150 dpi, and you're going to see it just gets a little bit lighter on this, but you're going to get twice as many prints out of it. As you see, at the 300 dpi you're going to get about 5,000, and at the 150 you can get about 13,000. And it can be manipulated. If you want lighter than that, you can get even more prints out of a cartridge. So here's another sample here, and then here's both of them compared together in this picture here. And then here's a video showing you how the SmartJet Blue actually works in production.